Am I being arrested?
You are.
Yeah. Please,
Hold on. 7 counts of identity theft and 7 counts of practicing without a license.
On August 5th, 2025, Florida deputies arrived at a suspect's home to serve multiple felony warrants. An investigation revealed that she had been using another individual's RN license and identity to gain employment at a Florida hospital, alleged to have treated over 4,000 patients as a fake nurse.
Hey there. Are you Autumn?
Yeah.
Can you step out of the car for me, please?
Sure.
Just turn around, put your hand on your back.
Oh, wait, what's going on?
Put your hands on your back.
Okay,
We'll
my
tell you
car's across the street.
Okay, alright.
Am I being arrested?
You are.
Yeah. Please,
Hold on.
Okay.
Hold on.
Can I ask? But can I?
We have plenty of time to talk.
Okay.
Just relax.
Can I turn my car off?
Yeah. We'll take care
And
of
can
that.
I call my boss so I can tell her I can't go to this?
Yeah, you have any other weapons besides the
It's
knife?
not a weapon. They're raptors. They're trauma shoes.
Oh, okay.
I'm just gonna throw them in here right now.
Can you turn off my car?
You're advising one secure. 1521.
Do I need my license?
No.
My phone?
Julia 35. It could be a cage car for
I
transport.
just moved here.
So your car is okay here then?
Yeah, can I have my phone though, just in case?
Yeah, we'll take it with us.
I have. No,
What's your daughter's name? Okay. Let's just get the basics.
Okay.
Who's watching her right now?
The girl who lives across the street, it's her daughter, it's her sister. She doesn't live there, she's just staying there temporarily.
How old is the person that she's with?
Gabby, I think she's 24 or 25.
She's an adult.
Yeah, if I could just tell her what's going on.
Yeah, we'll definitely do that.
What we try not to do is upset your daughter, obviously. Okay.
Yeah, I promise I won't go anywhere.
Okay. So
Can
let
I
me
just
ask you,
talk
where do you normally stay?
I just moved here.
So you live here.
Yeah.
Who do you live with?
It's my girlfriend and my daughter.
Okay. So can your girlfriend watch your child?
Yeah, I think she's on call tonight because she works at the hospital, but
I mean, how long is the neighbor going to watch your child for?
until like 5:30.
Until like what time's your girlfriend
She'll
get
be
home?
by then. She gets off at 5:30, so it'll be okay. Can I just go explain to them?
We'll bring them out before anybody goes anywhere. That way.
We do it without?
Are you okay with her seeing you like that? Because
I'd
that's
rather her not
pretty
see me
much
in cuffs, and I promise I will not go anywhere.
That's pretty
I
much
just want to
where
go
we're
in and
at.
talk to her.
To your daughter?
Yes, and just or in the care.
Well, I mean, so we have protocols that we have to do too. Yeah, I called for. So we can. Let me just tell you, there is a felony warrant for your arrest. Okay. There is a bond on it. Okay, which is good. It's, I believe, $70,000 is the bond amount. Okay. So you can bond out.
What for? What for? What?
You know what all this is about?
Not really. I kind of had something with the Department of Health, but I have my license.
Okay.
And I had thought it was squared away because it's clear and active.
Okay. So that does stem from this. We were contacted, not me directly, but a guy with Health and Human Services reached out to you a couple months ago.
Yeah, and I had an attorney, and I haven't heard anything since.
Okay, so the attorney reached out to him and said that you were currently being represented and all that other stuff.
Yeah.
I'd love to have a conversation with you, but if you're represented by an attorney and that's somebody that wants to be here for all that kind of questioning, I obviously am limited on where this conversation can go.
Can I know what is a felony?
It has to do with medical fraud. I can get the exact thing. I don't remember off the top of my head, but it has to do with medical and stuff like that.
Okay.
You have 7 counts of identity theft and 7 counts of practicing without a license. And this does stem from everything with the Department of Health and Admin Health and all of that stuff. I mean, you're already aware of it. You've given statements to them, to other investigators before. This is just your first time meeting me.
Okay, identity.
So no, I've been with the other guys whenever they're doing their investigation, but I was not face to face with you. For those
Okay.
So.
Can I just call her on my phone at least?
Yeah. Well, no worries. We'll let you do all that. Now, we can't just take the handcuffs off you because I mean I know you're saying you're not gonna fight, but I mean you've seen TV, you watch the movies, like you see.
I've never had an arrest record. I've never done anything.
I'm not saying you have, okay, but we just don't want to. We don't want it to escalate to some place that we put it, because we take the handcuffs off you. But what we can do is get the person who's watching your child, and if you want to tell them what's going on, you certainly can. I mean, or if you want us to tell them.
Can I call them? Can you just take them off so I can call her on the phone at least?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
No. I'm not going to.
No, but I'm going to grab your phone.
We'll grab your phone and put it on speaker for you. Yeah, we'll grab your phone and put it on speaker. No, the point is that I'm not saying you're going to do anything. We take the handcuffs off. That gives you it puts it there. Okay.
Okay. It's not.
Like your front door's open.
Yeah, I was walking. Yeah, please.
Did you want to step inside out of the heat
Yeah,
for a second?
Is that okay? Are you?
Yeah. I mean, anyone else inside the
Let me
house?
grab your keys for you.
Okay. Can these? I promise I won't.
Can anyone? Is anyone else inside the house?
Just my dog, but he's. Can these be taken off? I won't do anything.
We can't take them off for right now. Okay.
Come, what, your house?
Here. I mean, like I said, just. Yeah, I'll just move my car in the driveway.
You took the AirPods out, you said? Yeah. Okay. Stand by for a second.
She faces charges of identity theft and practicing without a license. One charge for each month she was employed.